Okay, so today we'll be starting some discussion on the problems. So let's start with the first problem. So this problem I had just given you an idea. So just I missed out something. So you can just I give something like homework. So for this problem you have to try it at your home. So last day we had a discussion on solving this problem. Just one thing was left out. So just at your home you try this one. So this is the problem. So a load of 600 Newton is applied here. So what you have to do? So in the first case we had considered the origin somewhere around here, the fixed point, or the point where we want to find the moment. So at your home, just to try, you take the origin here. So taking the origin here, so you can understand that force vector remains constant. So moment, so vector m, that is equal to r cross f. So this force vector will remain the same, but this one will change. But still, you should be getting the same answer. So just at your home, you take the origin at this point, the point at which the load has been applied. So this point you assume as the origin. So this was 2, this was 4. So based on that, you calculate the like ROA. So you calculate the position vector, and then you calculate what is the moment coming out to be. So this is your homework. ঠিক আছে? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So this one is your homework. Try it at your home. Take the origin at the point A or the point of application of the force. You assume that one to be the origin and just try the same problem at your home. So let's now move on to the exercise. So আচ্ছা এর পরে কি ক্লাস আছে তোমাদের?
sir, 12টা থেকে।
12টা থেকে। তাহলে ওই মোটামুটি 11:30 অবধি তো ক্লাস নিতে পারবো। হ্যালো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
সো 11:30 তে আমাকে একটু মনে করিয়ে দিও। জাস্ট রিমাইন্ড মি এট 11:30। তোমাদের সিআর কে কে আছে? পিয়াস আর আরেকজন কে আছে সিআর?
প্রীতি স্যার।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, যারা সিআর আছে একটু আমাকে মনে করিয়ে দিও। ঠিক আছে? So let's start with the first problem, 227. So you can see that a 4 kilonewton force is applied at a point, certain point, the coordinates of the point is given, and we have to compute the moment of the force about the origin, O. Expressing it both as a scalar and vector, so you have to solve it using both the scalar method and the vector method. So the next part is important. So determine the coordinates of the point at the x on the y axis, x and y axis about which the moment of the force is 0. So we have to determine certain points on the x and the y axis at which the moment of the point is actually becoming 0. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Acha, last day I had shared some
স্যার।
recordings I have shared actually on the last day. So did you get the recordings of the things we discussed on the last day?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start with this problem. So the problem is something like this. So this is the y-axis. This one is the x-axis. So ekhane there is a force. This is a point. This is the point E. So the coordinates of the point is given. So the coordinate is 1.2, 1.5, and the force is given. This is 4 kilonewton. So F is equal to 4 kilonewton force, and what else is given? So this inclination or the slope. So this slope is given. So this is I think 3. This is 5. So this slope is given theta. This is the point O where we are supposed to find out the moment of the force. Initially, let's do the first part. So we have to compute the moment of the force about the point O. So how to calculate the moment of the force about the point O? কি করে বেরোবে?
স্যার আর ক্রস এফ।
Hmm?
লিভার আর্ম
Okay.
ও আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ও আচ্ছা স্কেলারে
ঠিক
করতে
আছে,
গেলে
so let's
লিভার
do this
আর্মটা করে
part.
করা যায়
Scalar করতে গেলে তোমরা liver arm করে, you can try it by the liver arm when you are supposed to do it using the scalar method. So let's do it by the vector method itself. ঠিক আছে, we will be doing it using the vector method. So if we are supposed to find out m0, so that should be equal to ROA cross vector f. So এটা কি হবে বলো? So what will be ROA? So let's initially calculate ROA. So this one is the origin itself, 0, 0. So ROA will be the coordinate of the point A. So A coordinates ta koto? It is 1.2, 1.5 minus the coordinates of the point 0. It is 0, 0. So ROA, that should come out to be something like 1.2I plus 1.5 J. And similarly, let us calculate what is actually vector F. So vector F will be something like কি হবে বলো?
fxi cap
So
plus fy.
fx I cap. So just you can do is like এখানে তুমি component
minus
এটাকে
3i
ভেঙে নাও.
minus 5.
So you break it in the so just theta ta you can calculate theta actually. So tan theta is actually, so you get the value tan theta. So tan theta is actually 3 by 5. From there you can calculate sin theta, cos theta, everything. So let's write vector f. So vector f will be equal to কি হবে in the vectorial form? It will be f. So if this is theta, this one will be theta. So this one will be theta. So this is actually negative 1. So you are having actually like minus f cos theta I cap, and the y component is also negative. So this is actually minus f sin theta j cap.
J cap.
So just you can write it as minus f. So this is actually cos theta I cap, sorry, cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. So once you know these two, actually you can do the cross product actually. So if you are supposed to find out the moment of the force m0, so that should be ROA. So this is actually 1.2 I cap plus 1.5 j cap. So this one you can also reduce this one. So cos theta will be actually, so you can calculate. So if this is 3, 5, so sin theta, cos theta you can calculate actually. So
Cos theta
what
is
will be
5
sin
by
theta,
root
cos theta?
34.
So it will be, so this one will be root over 25 plus 9, so 34 I think. So sin theta will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this is, so in this way you can reduce it I think. When the scalar parts actually you can take outside the cross product. So base by hypotenuse. So this one you can reduce this one also. So this should be something like minus. So f is actually 4 I think. So 4 divided by root 34. And inside you will be having cos theta is 5i
Plus
5i plus
3j.
5i plus 3j I think. Okay, so that scalar part actually you can separate. Whenever you are doing the calculation, that scalar part you can separate. This one you can separate, and just you can work with the vector parts actually. So 5i plus 3j. So I think that you can at least now do it at your home. So this one is minus 4 by root 34. So this is minus 4 by root 34. What else? So this was 1 point plus 1.5 j cap cross, and this one is 5i plus 3j. So this is 5i plus 3j. So just do it. এটা করো এখন, just do it now.
So 2.68 k cap.
Answerটা দেওয়া আছে কি? Is the answer given? So it is given
Minus
actually. So
6.58.
I don't know how many of you are doing this one and telling it. So just do it. Those who are at least try it at your end. Do it at your end, and let me know when once you are completed with that one.
Sir, 15.6 by root 34 k cap.
So
ঠিক আছে, ওটা একটু,
2.67 k.
it is something. It will come out to be something k cap. So it is, you can
2.67
understand that. It is in the Z direction positive.
2.6 at k cap.
2.68.
2.68 k cap. And the value will be in
K
kilonewton
Newton.
actually.
Yes.
Okay. So this one you complete at your home. So the first part is done. Any doubts?
Sorry,
Or we can move to the next part.
kilonewton meter.
Huh?
Kilonewton meter.
Meter হবে. It should be kilonewton meter. Any doubt? We can move to the next part. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to the next part. So this part is done. So in the next part, see what we have to calculate is the force is given. So we have to calculate the coordinates of the points lying on the x and the y axis. So this force actually it should be meeting the x axis at some point say x comma 0, and again it will be meeting the y axis at some point say 0 comma y, about which the moment of the force is 0. So we have to determine two such points on the lying on the x and the y axis at which the moment of the force actually vanishes. So let's do that. So let's initially draw the x and the y axis. So this is the x axis, this is the y axis.
Sir, can you repeat the question one more?
So this is 1.2, this is 1.5, this is the force. So this is 4 kilonewton. So we are supposed to find out 2 points lying on the x and the y axis. So if I can extend the line of action of this force, so I'm going to take extend. If I extend the line of action of this force, it will be meeting the x axis at a certain point. So let us call it as a certain point, say P actually. So it will be meeting at a certain point x comma 0. Again, it will be meeting at a certain point actually, say Q actually, where the say 0 comma y. So in this question, we are supposed to find out, determine the coordinates of the point on the x and y axis about which the moment of the force is 0. So we have to determine 2 points on the x and the y axis. So this force actually it is meeting the x axis at a certain point says x comma 0, and again it is meeting the y axis at a certain point says 0 comma y actually. So we have to determine 2 points where the force actually it's passing through the x and the y axis, where actually the moment of the force actually vanishes. So let's calculate the moment of the force actually. So the moment of the force, so this is vector F, F. So the moment of the force, we can write it as, so m0, that is equal to, we can write it as, so this is O. So this is R OP cross vector F. Similarly, the same answer we can get using ROQ cross F. So this has to be 0. Okay? So it will be passing through 2 points on the x-axis and the y-axis. So on the x-axis, it will be cutting at a point, say x comma 0, and on the y-axis, it will be cutting at a point 0 comma y. So we have to determine actually the coordinates of x and y actually, or rather x comma 0 or 0 comma y, where actually the moment of the force actually vanishes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
About which the moment of the force is 0. Okay, so let's do the first part. So for the first part actually, so let's work with this one. So initially let's find out where it actually cuts on the x-axis. So on the x-axis we are having R OP cross vector F, that is equal to 0. So what is R? So R is actually what are the coordinates of the point P? It is x comma 0. So with respect to O, so the moment at the point O, so that will be actually coming out to be something like x I cap cross vector F. So vector F was what we got actually. I just keep H now. What was vector F? Vector F was something
Minus
like
4 by root 34.
4
I
by
by
root
cap plus
34. Minus 4 by root
I
34.
by cap.
Wait, just 1 minute. Okay. So this was minus 4 by root 34.
5 by cap. 5
and inside bracket you will have
3 j cap.
5 I cap plus 3 j cap. So that is equal to 0. So just now you can do this. So this one actually cancels out. This will become 0. So just you do this one. So just do this one and calculate what is the value of x coming out to be. x টা করো তো কত আসছে?
Sir, x is
minus 1.3.
হ্যাঁ?
minus 1.
Minus 1.3
minus
comma 0.
ঠিক আছে. So it should be minus 1.3. So the coordinate of the point where it is actually cutting on the x-axis and where the moment is 0. So that is actually minus 1.3 comma 0. So let's now calculate this same thing about the y-axis. So point on the y-axis, or it actually where the force actually cuts the y-axis. So that point we have taken it to be 0 comma y. So the moment of the force m0, that should be equal to, so that was q. Okay, so that is r q cross vector f, that is equal to 0. So r o q. So what is the coordinate of the point q? So that will be actually y j cap.
Sir, 0, 0.78.
And
Y
this was
will be
minus
0.7.
34. এইটা কত ছিল 5i plus j cap, তাই তো 5i plus 3j,
5y plus 3 j cap.
3j.
that is equal to 0. So just you do this one and you calculate what is the value of y coming out to be.
0.78.
0.78.
0.78. So on the y-axis, the point where the moment about O is 0, so that point is actually 0 comma 0.7. So the answer is actually P point. So that was something like it was minus 1.30 minus 1.3 comma 0, and the Q point, that is actually 0 comma 0.7. So this is the answer. ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
move to the next problem, 231. So this problem is done. So এইগুলো দরকার নেই. This one you can do it at your home. 228 you can do. 229, 30. These are not required as of now. So let's move to problem number 231. ठीक है? It's problem of a gear. So you can see that there is a force of magnitude 40 Newton is applied to the gear actually at a certain inclination to the vertical. So the inclination angle is 20 degree actually. So we have to determine the moment M of the force F about the point capital O. So capital O is actually the center of the gear actually, and the radius of the gear, or the distance of the point of application of the force from the center of the gear, that is actually 100 millimeter. Clear? So in this case, we have to calculate the moment of the force. So see, last day we had discussed, we had a huge lot of discussion about how many methods we can use. So this one actually, so this you can do it using various methods actually. Either you can break down the force into two components, so you'll be having Fx and Fy. So just you can imagine that Fx will actually vanish because Fx actually passes through the point O. So there will be no contribution from O actually, from Fx actually, only Fy will be having a contribution. So directly if you could like do Fy into R, you will be getting the answer for the moment. So that is a scalar method actually that you can assume. ঠিক আছে, last day we had lots of discussion on this one actually, how to go about such any problems related to moments. So
Yes, sir.
wait. So let me draw the gear actually. Rather just let us work with the points only. Okay? So this is the point of application of the force. So this is the center of the gear. This is the point at which the force has been applied. So what is the magnitude of the force? So the force is given to be 60 Newton, I think. And the
Yes, sir.
inclination with the the inclination with the vertical is 20 degree. So this is the force actually. So F is equal to your 60 Newton. So what you can do is you can just, and this radius r, so this radius r is actually given. So what you can do is you translate this force, so you'll be having two components for this force. So this will be Fx and this will be Fy. So this is actually Fx and this is actually Fy. So now you can understand that Fx will be having no contribution to the moment since it passes through the point actually where we want to find the moment actually. So Fx will be having zero lever arm actually. So that is why Fx will be 0. The moment contribution from Fx will be 0. But Fy will be having a contribution. So directly you can do Fy into R. You will be getting the value of the moment in the scalar form. So let's do it in the vectorial form. So just we will be doing all the problems vectorially. So it's better. Why? Because once we switch to the 3D problem, so then you can understand why vector is more important. Because once it's a 3D problem, the things will become more complicated. And actually, if you are working with the like the vector form of the force, that will make the things easier. So just let's calculate what is m0 actually. So m0, that is equal to ROA cross vector F. So what is ROA? So ROA, you can write it to be something like, so you can take the origin at this point. So in this problem actually no origin has been defined. So as I had discussed that when you intend to find out the moment something, so best thing is where the point at which you are calculating the moment, take that one as the origin. So I am taking O as the origin. So that will actually simplify all the things. So ROA will be only RI. I hope now you can understand. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, vector
Yes, sir.
F. Similarly, vector F. So vector F will be key hobe. So vector F will be equal to Fx. So Fx will be actually, so it's a negative x direction. You can understand. So 8 at 20 means this is 20 actually. So Fx is actually your F minus F sine 20 degree. So this is minus F sine 20 degree. Or y is also negative, I think. Right? So this is actually minus F cos 20 degree. Both are negative actually. So this is F cos 20 degree j cap. So that is your minus F. You take it as common. So you are left with sine 20 degree I cap plus cos 20 degree j cap. So now if you have to calculate vector m0, so that should be equal to, just multiply these two. So r is something that is known. So r is kato boleche? R is given to be 0.1. So this is actually 0.1 I
100
cap.
mm.
Mm you can also take. Better you take it in 0.1 meter. Okay? So that everything is in meter. You can write it in mm also. The answer will coming out in Newton millimeter. So this is eta I cap
Yes,
cross
sir.
minus F. This is the scalar part, and this is sine 20 I cap plus cos 20 j. So just complete it at your home. Okay? Just complete it at your home. The answer will come out to be something like minus 5.64 K
5.68.
cap,
5.63.
64
5.63.
K cap Newton meter. Okay? Just try it at your home. It will come out to be minus 5.64 K cap Newton meter. So just you are getting the direction also. So it is in the positive Z direction. So that is coming out from the board actually. Or the, okay, you can understand actually the positive Z. So just make it a 3D thing. So this is X, this is Y. So this is Z actually, considering the thumb rule actually. Or rather take this one as Y. So if this is X, this is Y. So now it full holo. This is X, this is Y. So this is the positive Z. So directly when you are using the vector method actually you are getting the direction of the moment also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So next one is also similar problem. Actually, totally like similar problem. You can try it at your home also. কি করবো এটা বাড়িতে চেষ্টা করবেন আমি করিয়ে দেবো
Sir,
just let me just write it down in a like
yes.
just
Sir,
uh,
I have one doubt.
uh,
In previous question, the previous where I'm talking about, that the point where we have to calculate the moment of the force, that is 0.
not zero. I have taken it as the origin. So you can take
No, sir, not this one. in fact the previous one before this one, in where we have to calculate the moment of the force is 0, where we calculated the x-axis point is minus 1.3 and y-axis point is minus something that came out. What my doubt is, here neither the lever arm is 0 nor the force is 0. Then how can the moment of that will come out to be 0? Because when we
How
calculate
the
the moment about any point, how can the moment at the point where the x-axis we have calculated minus 1.3, how how there it is 0? I mean r cross f can never be 0 at that point, because it will
which one?
came
R
certain
cross?
value the r
Yeah,
cross
R
f
cross F
value at
actually,
that
yeah,
point.
it's a vector thing actually. So whenever R and F, so you are making a cross product. So that actually you are calculating sine theta. So actually, if R and F, they are actually inclined. So if the inclination also you are taking into consideration, so they are actually becoming perpendicular to each other. So they are actually the theta is actually becoming 0. I mean, ঠিক
But
আছে? So
sir,
in
at
that
that
case,
point theta,
yeah, you are writing M0
the,
that is equal to R cross F. So you are also so R
but
into F into sine theta, right? So that
yes,
inclination
yes,
also
sir.
matters. Only the magnitude is not important here. So whenever you are working with working with vectors, the inclination is also important. So in case actually theta, so theta might assume the form of 0. So sine theta 0 at what points? You know the general solution for that one. So theta, whenever it's n pi, actually it will become 0. So for that it is becoming 0, not for like the lever arm or the force are becoming 0. ঠিক আছে? The general
Okay,
form
sir.
of the general solution you have learned actually the general solutions for sine theta actually. So when theta assumes n pi, so in those cases actually the cross product will assume a 0 value. Not that the force has to be 0 or the lever arm has to be 0.
Okay, sir.
ঠিক আছে? Okay, so next thing is we are working with this one. So a problem to just I am discussing just the মানে এটার বেসিকটা আমি জাস্ট বলে দিচ্ছি মানে how to take the origins and all. You can take the origin at any point though. So what is given is এইখানে this is the point O, and what else? এইটা দেখো, this one is 200 millimeter. So 200 millimeter, so you can take it as 0.2 meter, and this one is 30 millimeter. মানে this one is 0.03 meter. What else? এইখানে দেখো একটা ফোর্স আছে. So the force is given to be, ফোর্সটা কত দেওয়া আছে? 250 নিউটন. So this force that is equal to 250 newtons, and this inclination angle is given to be 15 degrees. So it is just similar to the like previous problem itself. So in this case, just at the center of the board. So this is the volt actually. So this at the center of the board, you have to calculate what is the moment of the force. So just this point itself, we can take it as the origin. Just the last one I have discussed actually. So wherever is the point you need to calculate the moment, take that point as the origin. So this point I am taking it as the origin. So এখানে কি হবে বলো? So m0. So if we want to calculate, so let's name this point. So this is say this point. Let us call it as এটা কি দেওয়া আছে? Is it given? It's not given. So এই পয়েন্টটাকে I am assuming it at A, and this is I am assuming it as B. So m0. So vector m0 that will be equal to r OA cross vector F. So what is actually ROA? So ROA vector that should be equal to কি হবে বলো? So that is 0.2 I plus 0.03 j cap. And vector F you have to calculate. So vector F টা কি হবে? So I think again both will be negative. So again, so this is, so it will be having two components. So এটাকে তুমি component এ ভেঙে নাও. So this is one component and this is the other component. So if this is 15 degree, this one is 15 degree. So this one is the sine component. So this is minus F sine 15 degree I cap minus F cos 15 degree j cap. So just এটা common নিয়ে নাও. So you are getting sine 15 degree I cap plus cos 15 degree j cap. So just now you have got this one and you have got this one. So you calculate this one, and what is the answer in k cap you are getting. So it is a sort of a similar problem. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে, so let us move to problem number. এগুলো ঠিক আছে, এগুলো দরকার নেই, this 234 and all এগুলো দরকার নেই। Either this you can do, 238 you can do, and 236 I will be doing, ঠিক আছে। And there are many problems, এগুলো এত আর দরকার পড়বে না। 236 এইটা করিয়ে দেবো, 236 and 243, these two problems are important। 243 44 এই দুটো করিয়ে আমরা নেক্সট চ্যাপ্টারে মুভ করব, ঠিক আছে। There are many problems you can try, the concept remains the same. Just what is the concept we are doing, so that concept actually just remains the same. Just 1 minute, wait for 1 minute. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So let's start with problem number 236. So 236 টা কি আছে দেখো একটু। You are able to listen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. ঠিক আছে। So প্রবলেমটা let us go by this problem. So এই প্রবলেমটাতে যেটা দেওয়া আছে, you can see that this is a fixed end. আচ্ছা, this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. আচ্ছা, এইখানে there is a force, so the force is given to be কত দেওয়া আছে দেখো, this is P is equal to 30 Newton. আচ্ছা, এইটা, so this is the horizontal, এর সাথে this inclination, sorry, this inclination, মানে the inclination same as this one, so this one is given to be 45 degree, and this distance, so this distance is given to be 1.6 meter, and this distance again it is given to be 1.6 meters. So what we have to calculate, we have to calculate perpendicular to the portion BC. So to the portion BC, the load has been applied perpendicular to the part BC actually. So we have to determine the moment of the point at the point B and at the point A. So we have to calculate MB and we have to calculate MA. So যেটা last day just I had a মানে যেটা আমি বলছিলাম যে you can try it using the vector method actually মানে using the method of vectors you can do this one. এক সেকেন্ড দাঁড়াও। So মানে এটা in this case actually it's easier that you could do it in the scalar method মানে scalar দিয়ে আমি যদি এটাকে করতে চাই, so if I want to do this one using the scalar method that actually simplifies মানে directly if I need to calculate MB, so say suppose MB টা আমি যদি calculate করতে চাই, if I need to calculate MB, so in that case so MB will be কি হবে, so directly I know the force actually, so the force is 30 into this is the lever arm, so this is 1.6. So because this is perpendicular to this one, so this problem is actually easier. I mean, because this load has been applied perpendicular to this element BC actually, so that is why this one is perpendicular to this one. So directly you can make it like 30 into 1.6 and you will be getting the answer. So you are getting the answer to be something like 48 Newton meter. So this is actually clockwise. ঠিক আছে? So clockwise টা generally আমরা negative নিয়ে নিই, ঠিক আছে? So it's a negative moment actually. So you can understand that it's a clockwise moment. So that is why I have mentioned it as negative actually. And similarly, actually using the scalar form itself, you can calculate the MA also. ঠিক আছে? Directly you can calculate the value of MA. So এটা একটু আমি just beta, just I am doing it using the vector method actually. So vector method, why it is important? Because when we move to the 3D problem, so in this case you might not understand why like doing it using the vector method is needed at all. But when you move to the 3D problem, but had it been a 3D problem actually, you could have understood that a vector method would be more convenient for you. So a vector method দিয়ে আমি যদি করতে চাই, so in that case vector MB, so that should be equal to কি হবে, so that should be equal to R BC. So in that case, since I am I intend to find out the moment at the point B actually, so what I am doing is I am taking the B itself as the origin, or just assume that this is the origin. So in that case you have to calculate R BC cross vector P actually. So vector P actually you can do this one. So just let's concentrate on this one. So আমরা যদি এটাকে ক্যালকুলেট করতে চাই, so RBC, so that should be equal to কি হবে, so that should be equal to মানে with respect to either you can make it as ROC minus R, মানে either you can make it as say ROC minus OB, and in that way you can do, or what else you can do is you take this one as origin itself, ঠিক আছে, and then দাঁড়াও so you take এক second দাঁড়াও, so you take this one as the origin itself. So assume that this one is the origin itself. So had this one been the origin, তাহলে আমরা এটা কি হবে, so what will be the coordinates of the point C? So in that case I have to find out this distance, so this distance and this distance. So what will be this distance? So এই ডিসটেন্সটা দেখো, so this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree, so this one will be 45 degree. So if this one is 45 degree, so this length, so this one is given to be 1.6. So this is actually minus 1.6. So this distance, by এটাকে আমি যদি like something like if I could write it, say suppose this is Rx and this is say Ry. So in that case, so this is actually কি হবে, so this is minus Rx I cap plus Ry J cap. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you
Yes,
can
sir.
do is you
Yes,
can take
sir.
a fixed origin at the point A and do the problem. Or what else you can do
Yes,
is,
sir.
since I intend to find out the moment at the point B itself, so for that you assume the origin lies at the point B itself. Or you assume that I am moving from the point B to the point C. So what is the change in the position vector? ठीक है. So in that case, actually, so assuming B to be B to be the origin, so the what is the coordinate of the point C? So that is actually minus Rx plus Ry. So this will be actually, so এই minus Rx টা কত হবে? So this minus Rx will be minus, এটা কত হবে? Minus 1.6 cos 45 degree. So this is minus 1.6 cos 45 degree plus 1.6 sin 45 degree j cap. So এখানে let me write it now here. So this was R BC. So this position vector, it came out to be something like, so you can take minus as common also, but just 1.6 I am taking it out as common. So this is 45. So sin 45 cos 45 both are কত? 1
Same
by root 2.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. So that root 2 you take it as common. So inside you are only having কি আছে? Minus I plus j cap. So you are having minus I plus j cap. And what is vector P? So vector P will be actually কি হবে? What will be
15
vector P?
root
So
2,
this is
15
actually,
root 2 I cap plus j cap. 15 root
so
2
these
I
are the
cap.
components actually of the force. So just we need to determine the angle. So this is 45. Everything is 45 actually. So this is 45. This is 45. This is 45. This is 45. ঠিক আছে? So this is actually P cos 45 degree. So this is actually 30. I am taking it as common. So this is cos 45 degree I cap plus sin 45 degree j cap. So just this cos 45 you can take it out as common. So again you will be left with 30 by root 2. So this is I cap plus j cap. So just you calculate. So you do the cross product. So this is R BC cross vector P. So in that case, so just multiply this one. So 30 into 1.6, 48 divided by 2. And just you have to do this small cross product. So I hope now you can do it very easily. So this is cross I cap plus j cap. So just do this one and see what is the thing you are getting and calculate what is you are getting in k cap. তাড়াতাড়ি করো.
48.
48
So
k cap.
the same answer, not 48. It will come out to be minus 48.
Minus 48.
Yes, sir. Minus
So minus
Minus
48.
48.
So it will come out to be minus 48 k cap. So that means minus means it is actually clockwise moment. ঠিক আছে? So whenever so this will be a general convention that we will be following. So whenever we move to the like equilibrium problem, so they are actually, so whenever there is a positive rotation, I mean there is a anti-clockwise rotation, we take it as positive. So whenever there is a anti-clockwise rotation, we take it as positive, and whenever there is a clockwise rotation or clockwise moment, we will be taking it as a negative thing. So this is a general convention that we will be following when we move to the problems of equilibrium. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so MA টা তোমরা নিজেরা একটু করতে পারো. Just MA you can do by any method. So যেটা আমরা করেছি, any method you can do it. So the one I will be doing, and the other one I will be giving as the homework. So এটা আবার আঁকতেই হবে. So
Yes, sir.
this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C where the force is being applied. So this is P is equal to, given to be 30 না 40 কত ছিল? 30 Newton.
30 Newton.
30 Newton.
So this is 30 Newton. So at your home you try by the vector method. So আমি এটা দুটো মেথড দিয়ে করব. One is the vector method. So one is the vector method that we have to do. So this I am giving as a homework. Vector method is too important, so that is why I am giving it as a homework so that you can try it at your home. Here we will be doing it using the lever arm method. So lever arm method টা আমরা এখন করব. So vector method just a suggestion. So whenever you are, so since in this case I intend to find out what is the moment of the force about the point A. So my point of interest is A. So that is why in that case you take the origin at this point. Now you shift the origin to this point. And then you calculate MA, so that is equal to R AC cross vector P. So just you have to calculate this one. So taking A as the origin, you calculate the coordinate of the point C, and then you multiply it by the P vector. P vector is also known to you, so just do it at your home and see what is the answer you are getting for the moment in terms of vectors. So I think now it's easier. So you can choose the, for this case also you can take the origin at B also, you can take the origin at C also, you can take the origin anywhere. That will not change the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So using the lever arm method, so lever arm method you know, so just you extend this line of action of this force and you draw one perpendicular on the line of action of the force. So this one is the lever arm of the force. So it koto hobe, so the lever arm will be this one. So this entire thing is the lever arm of the force. So this is D, this is the lever arm of the force. So it is having two parts. So this one is actually, so this was koto chilo, so this was 1.6. So it is 1.6, so this is 1.6. Again, this is 1.6. What else was? This was 45. So this was, I think, 45 degrees. So it is 45 why? So this one will be 45, but everything is 45 actually. Mane, what I intend to tell is 8 of 45 hole, this one will be 45. 8 of 45 hole, again this one will be 45. ठीक है? So every angle is 45 here. कोनो भेबे लाभ नहीं. So this one is also 45. So anyone you can
Yes,
take,
sir.
this one or this one you can take actually. So this is 1.6. So either you can sine, cos, anyone you can apply. So the total lever arm, so the lever arm that
1.6
should be
plus
equal to
1.6
1.6. Wait, let me tell. When I ask, you can tell. So this is 1.6 plus this one. So this distance is actually, so sine 45. Or this one actually. So you can take this one as 45. So sine 45 is, I need cos 45 actually. So cos 45 is actually base divided by, so this one, any name you can give it, like PA or anything. ठीक है, just say PA actually. So this is PA divided by hypotenuse, so 1.6. So PA is actually plus 1.6 cos 45 degree. So the lever arm is actually 1.6 into 1 plus cos 45 degree. So just calculate what is the lever arm you are getting. দেখো কত আসছে in meter. And then just multiply it by the force. So the moment will be, so if I need to calculate MA, so MA will be equal to, ধরো এখানে করে দিই, so M, ধরো মানে হ্যাং করছে একটু, so just MA, so MA will be equal to the force, so the magnitude of the force is 30 into D. So just do 30 into D.
D बराबर
can-
2.73.
हाँ
3.9.
কত?
48
तो?
plus 48 upon root 2.
2.73 actually.
2.73.
MA is 82.
82, right? It is 82 কে বললো?
और शुभम सिन्हा
হ্যাঁ শুভম,
सिन्हा सर 82 হবে
হ্যাঁ 82 কে বললো প্রথম?
सर शुभम सिन्हा 84 रोल नंबर
হুম, দাঁড়ো তোমাদের কোথায় অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা নিই। শুভম সিনহা তো he has a good class performance. Okay. ঠিক আছে, very good. That should be 81.9 81.9 Newton meter answer
Yes,
আসবে,
sir.
ঠিক আছে? This should be 81.9 Newton meter. So you can understand that since this is a clockwise movement, ঠিক আছে? So here you can just understand that since this force is in this direction, so this is actually your clockwise movement. So it will be negative. So whenever you are doing this one using the vector method, whenever you are doing, so using the vector method, you will be getting something minus k cap. You will be getting minus some value k cap. You will be getting. So this is actually your clockwise movement. So whenever you are doing in the scalar form, just you write it as the clockwise movement. So since ma is a vector, you have to write the magnitude as well as you have to write the direction. So for that actually you have to mention that it's a clockwise movement. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে,
Yes,
আজকে
sir.
এটুকুই থাক। টুডে লেট আস রিমেন আপ টু দিস, ঠিক আছে? আজকে এটুকুই থাক, আজকে আর নেক্সট কিছু আর করবো না। এই প্রবলেমস গুলো তোমরা একটু ট্রাই করো, ইউ ট্রাই ইট এট ইউর হোম। সো অল দ্য প্রবলেমস আর সিমিলার টু ইচ আদার, ঠিক আছে? জাস্ট ট্রাই দ্য প্রবলেমস এট ইউর হোম। নেক্সট ডে থেকে আমরা আবার নেক্সট পার্ট গুলো ডিসকাস করবো, ঠিক আছে?
Sir, if we have any problems,
If you have any problems, you can ask
কোনো problem হলে কি করে?
in the class, you can ask.
Yes.